We've got the guys from Wise Guys Cooking here. To get you into the Christmas spirit, we're going to kind of name them off. We've got Frank D. Where are you, Frank D? We've got DeSalvo. We've got Larry. We've got Tony, Michael, Frank M, Mark, and Mike. All right, there we go. And then you know me. I'm Brian. I'll be your host today. So welcome back, guys. How we doing?
Guys. Hey, we're doing great. Good.
Nice to see you. So let's start with this, Frank DeSalvo. Where can we expect to see you guys? And tell me a bit about where you perform.
Well, actually, what we were going to say is that, we have been here on NBC Palm Springs for, about 3 years, Wise Guys Cooking.
Yeah.
And we really appreciate all of our fans and, of course, you guys,
we
our
love you.
connection with you. And, we're going to take a little rest, but we are going to be back in the future very soon. And we wanted to give all of our friends a Christmas blessing today.
New episodes, too.
Oh, that's right.
New episodes?
Yes.
But did I hear you right? You're taking a bit of a break, a hiatus.
Just a little bit.
All right, you're freaking us out.
Well, we're preparing all the new episodes.
All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of Christmas music. We're gonna sing some Christmas songs. So let's get right to it.
How about little jingle bells? Jingle bells, jingle jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas. And how about a little Rudolph? A Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer has a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows.
Like a light bulb.
That's right. Well, oh, that's right. Ready? Merry Christmas. Santa Claus is coming. You better watch out. You better not. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
What's he making?
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Merry Christmas. I would just like to say Merry Christmas to all my friends above ground and those of you below ground. I'm not leaving you out. Merry Christmas. He's on drugs.
He's on drugs, he says. Do you want to say anything to the friends at home?
Yeah, I'm here, and my wife has no idea where I'm at right now, but I want to thank her for allowing me to have this show, and God bless her and her family. Thank you.
This is what you get with the Wise Guys.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
We've got to pass it down. What do you want to say to the friends at home?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, yeah.
Everybody, hope you watch the show. We'll be back soon.
Yes, you will.
Yes.
We still have a few more, a
A
little
few
more
more
time.
seconds?
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm Larry Capilotto. This is Tony Pomponio, our band leader from Wise Guys Cooking. I'm also the voice of Wise Guys Cooking and the interviewer for the Godfather, Mr. Tony DiCiolando.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. That's all you, buddy.
Feliz
Navidad.
Prospero año y
Pasta Fazul.
All right, you know exactly where to find him every Sunday at 11:30 p.m. here on NBC Palm Springs. That wraps it up for us today. A big thanks to the Wise Guys Cooking.com. I plugged their web address right there. And a big thanks. Give them a wave, guys. Merry Christmas. We love you. See you soon.